Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog. And wala akong boses right now guys. Kaya please bear with me. And sana maging okay na yung voice ko. But yeah, right now we're here in Da Nang, Vietnam. Nakarating kami rito kaninang 8 a.m. And then nag-fly kami here ng 6:10 a.m. So nasa airport na kami by 1 a.m. pa lang. Kasi syempre guys, better be safe kasi ang haba ng pila, nakita namin sa online. Kaya ayun, then nag-immigration kami, natapos kami like mga 3:30 a.m. and then nag-rest kami until maka-fly kami. So yeah, today we're here sa Canlin Hotel. We're staying here for 1 week. And I'll give you guys a room tour later. Katatapos ko lang din pala mag-makeup. Kanina yung, kahapon pala, hindi na ako nag-makeup kasi sa airport lang naman yung punta natin. So, later, punta kami sa Dragon Bridge, Love Bridge, and nakalimutan ko yung isa. So, look at my nails, guys. I love it. It's just a press-on nails, pero sobrang tibay niya. It's been 3 days na to for me. Ayan. 3 days na siya. So, still intact pa rin. Press-on lang siya. Sobrang tipid kasi pag press-on lang kasi mag-nails ka. Tapos, ang nilalagay ko lang here is glue. Jelly glue. Yeah, jelly glue lang. Ayun. Very nice tong na book naming hotel from Agoda lang to. And yung staff nila here, guys, super bait. Like, they're really accommodating. And nakapag-check-in pala kami here by 12 noon. Supposed to be dapat 2 p.m. pa. Pero ayun, nag-early check-in nila. This is our room, guys. Maliit lang siya, but very nice. Meron kami ditong small table, and then TV, and then may fan. And then meron siyang mini bar dito. And then, ito maganda, guys. Boosh! Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng lighting dito. And then, ito naman is my bed. Then meron, ano yan, yung window. Then yung lights. Ito kama nila. Paintings. And ayan. Here is yung aircon. And this one is yung cabinet namin. And then, here is yung restroom. May tao pa kasi kaya hindi ko mapakita sa inyo, guys. Basta yan lang. Maliit lang naman siya, pero maganda. Diba? We're here right now in Han Market, guys. Bumibili kami ng mga souvenirs.
This one, how much?
Super mura dito, guys.
20. This one. 20.
Also 20.
Tingnan nyo.
Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Gusto ko tayo. This one, 30 unit. 30?
Maganda here, guys. Ang dami lang tao.
Ayun lang, hỏi bán 200 thôi.
Super mura dito, guys.
5.000.
Marami na kaming nabili. Wala pang 1K.
Yeah?
210?
This
Oh,
210.
Bayad na.
Discount.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Mabayad na ang card.
Oo. Nag-accept sila dito, guys, ng card.
Orange Bus 60.
Except lang sa mga
Yeah,
street
she's
foods. Like sa mga stalls. We're done shopping. And now, nag-stroll around na lang kami here. Around sa Mayahan Market. Pero sa may labas na. Ang lamig dito ngayon, guys. Bearable naman yung lamig, pero alam mo yun, malamig pa rin. Kaya naman. Ang ganda dito. Look. Okay. Turista. Right na, nandito kami. Kakain kami sa, ang tawag dito?
Ano?
Pho Bakhay.
Napsting ngay. Ano?
Lapsting Nai. Basta yun. Anong tawag na dito yung parang kinainin natin sa Singapore?
Ay, nasa labas lang.
Oo, yung mga sa labas lang na kainan. Ang daming tao dito guys. Ayun. Maraming tao. Pilaan siya. Yung authentic, yun. Authentic food siya guys.
Ano?
And super mura ng mga pagkain dito guys. Like ng mga bilihin. Tapos yung grab nila dito guys, mas mura pa kaysa sa Philippines.
Oh, yung
in.
rate natin, mga 80 pesos lang,
Oo.
70 pesos.
Ano lang yun, mga ilang minutes away yun.
Mga
20 minutes. Pag sa atin yun, 100 plus to 200 na eh. Dito, mura lang talaga guys. Tapos nakabili kami ng mga souvenirs, ang dami.
Dami.
Ang dami na.
Discount kami.
Oo. Mababait sila, mag-ano sila, mag-discount din. Mapayag din sila. Tapos yung mga ano dito, sa motorcycle, marami kayong makikitang mga babae nagde-drive. Tapos hindi sila umahawak sa likod. No? Napansin mo?
Ako din naman hindi ako hawak sa likod. Parang,
Hindi as in, kahit yung matanda kanina eh.
ano hindi hawak sa likod?
Dito, hindi nakahawak sa may ano.
Ah.
Oo, hindi sila nandaan. Dito guys, kung sa Philippines, ang tawag dito, parang hectic tumawid. Dito mas malala guys. Wala talaga silang paksayo.
Picture nyo na. For ano.
Ayan, andito yung ano namin. Andito lang kami sa streets. Super daming tao. Ito yung food namin. Ay, hindi pa complete. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Nagsasalita ako kanina, wala nang palang lobat ng isa kong mic. Bye-bye! Next, itong itlog. Itlog lang pala ito. Galing na sa Vietnam. Anong tawag dito?
Egg fried.
Egg,
Fried.
egg fried. Ano natin?
With a twist yan.
Pero,
Nahang itlog.
lasang itlog.
Pero masarap yung timpla nila.
Oo, parang, ang lambot ng loob. Sarap. We're already done eating. Sobrang daming kumakain sa mga authentic nila guys. Restos. Ayan, sa tawid. And then, here.
Left and right, sabihin mo yung...
Parang sa Singapore, pero dito guys, super mura dito. Like yung kinain namin kanina, ano lang siya, 400 plus. Pag sa Singapore, yung kinain namin, before 3,000 na. Tapos yung ngayon naman, millions ngayon, millionaires kami ngayon. Kasi dito, yung currency ng Vietnamese dong, like, 100,000, 1 million, ganun-ganon. Kaya yung currency sa Philippines, ng mga Pinoy, malaki siya dito. Kaya super mura lang. Sarap. Maraming spa dito guys and mga nail salon. So, ang lamig dito. Para akong nasa Baguio.
Kano lang nga natin? 67 lang.
Putan ko dalhin yung ano ko, yung jacket.
Saan ba? Nasaan dito tayo? Nearby na siya.
Waiting na lang kami guys sa ano, sa Grab. It's Sunday today and we're here sa Mayan Beach. Super nice dito guys. And it's currently 1:07. Super ganda guys. Look. Super dami ding ano dito, Americans, a lot of foreigners like us. I'll show you guys the view. There are lots of nipa huts and a lot of places na pwede mong pagpicturean. Ayan na. And ang lakas ng alon dito guys. Kaya hindi rin kami makapag-swim. Kasi nakakatakot. But yeah, it's really nice here. A lot of beautiful beaches and then a lot of hotels. Ayan. Mga hotels na merong beach view. And yung mga ano nila dito, mga food stall nila. Ang gaganda ng mga designs, guys. Oh my gosh. Parang ayoko nang bumalik ng Pinas. Ang sarap dito, guys. Like, hindi ka mahahagard. No pollution at all. Also, no traffic dito. And grabe talaga. Ang ganda. Yung mga buildings, it's like, super ganda. So now, maghahanap na lang kami ng food place where we can eat since hindi pa kami nakakapag breakfast and lunch. Ang hirap na mamili kasi ang daming choices. Beef, cheese, bacon.
Just order one Caesar fry, one bacon cheeseburger, one Korean chicken penne, and one margarita pizza medium size.
Yes.
This pizza you have to wait about 20 minutes. 20 minutes for pizza. Pizza?
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Oh, 20 minutes. Okay. Yeah,
For
it's fine.
25,000. Is it here or to go?
Here.
Yeah. Here.
For... Thank you. Okay, excited na kami mag-eat. Asa si mama? Wow, nakahanap siya. Dito tayo guys, beachfront. Pero, ay, asan na yun? Isa lang flavor ng ano nila, pepero. Mauwi ba natin yun sa ano, Pinas? Kasya pa ba sa bag? Sa 30 na.
Parang yung tinanong natin na
Sarap. Kaya ready na. Ang bilis, no? Thank you. From 250 to 150. Grabe yung barat. Grabe yung barat. Let's try their mango, guys. Malaki yung mango nila dito.
Ano lang, 60 dong.
Oo.
60 dong.
Salt. Spicy.
Grabe ka naman mag-salt. Wala ka na dito, humingi ka doon ulit.
Sarap. Anghang.
Yan. Kasi sobrang yung nilagay niya. Tinaubo na siya.
Ay, putik.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Ay, putik.
Ay, dugit na.
Nakumulo. So I got yogurt with melon. And then si mama is yogurt with peach. Yung una ko nga sabi, yogurt with lemon. Wala pang lemon. Oh, is it melon? Sabi niya. Yes, melon. Sarap. Ang sarap. Ang ganda rin ng ambience dito, guys. Super nice na ambience, lalo na siguro pag morning. Kasi makikita mo yung view talaga, tas yung koi. Ayun. Papakita ko sa inyo. We're here right now sa Met Hoi An. And nandito kami sa Hoi An Ancient Town. Hey guys, we just finished eating and now nandito kami sa bilihan ng mga neckties and mga vintage, ano tawag dyan? Ayan, ay mga ganyan. Nakabili kami ng 4 neckties for, naka-discount kami. 100 each na lang instead of 120. Ayan. Ang ganda dito guys. Super nice. Easy siya, ne. Ano, ay tingnan niyo yung mga plastic nila. Ang ganda, di ba? Unlike sa Philippines, manipis, tas colorful. Ito ang kapal. Ganda. Ayan, green. Maganda nga yung ito. Or, ayan, yan. Yung blue na yan. Ayan, yan. Ay, ayan, maganda yung pagka-blue. Royal blue. Ayan. Hey guys, hindi ko nagamit yung mic right now. But we're still here sa Hoi An. Ancient town.
Hello, you buy Tiger Bomb?
Malawak to guys, kaya dapat mag-secure kayo ng isang day para ikutin yung Old Town. Kasi super nice and super worth it niya talaga. Taste test. Banh mi. Ito yung nila, traditional food. Like specialty nila. Traditional. Specialty pala, hindi traditional. Parang wala ka naman makagat. Sarap. Dami. Kahanap kami ng fruit shake. Tapos na yung mga water namin. And nauuhaw na kami. Yeah, the banh mi was great. And sulit na yung one piece lang bilhin nyo kasi super big na. Good for 2 or 3 persons. Sarap siya. And yung bread, I like the bread. I bought a wristlet. It's a crochet, guys. It's really cute. Got it for only 60,000 Vietnamese dong. So it's like how much yun sa mga 150 yata. 150 sa Philippine peso. Huh? So cute. Tingnan nyo, guys. Meron ako nabili, guys. Tcharan! Sunflower. I got this for only 110,000 dong. Ano na lang siya? Mga 250. No? Yun lang. Nagbili kami na, strawberry? Strawberry banana. Yummy. Oh, sugar free pala yan, guys. Magkano yan? 65 BNB. Oh, mura lang. Ang mura ng mga bilihin dito, guys. Gusto namin bumili ng, ay parang baliw. Hindi ko rin nabibili. Gusto namin bumili ng ng skirt. Ay, napakita mo itong skirt. Diba, ang ganda? Hindi namin alam kung magkano yan. Baka 250 yan. Kasi kanina, yung tinanong ni mama, 250. Pinakamura. Or 200. Hey guys, good morning. It's our day 4 here in Da Nang, Vietnam. And today is Monday ba ngayon? Hindi ko na maalala. But yeah. So now we're going to, ang itinerary namin today is go to Kwango Cafe, downtown, go to the beach, and then baka magpaspa kami later. So ayan. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my dress, and then this bag, and shoes. Very cute lang. So, ayan. Medyo maaga pa. So, marami kami magagawa today. I'll see you guys later. Nag? Hey guys, kain ulit tayo. Natatapos lang namin mag-cafe. Anong ulit na ba? Saan ba tayo? Na ano? May pinipig yung nila, rice. Anak ng squid na. Sarap. Yung mga dito guys, mga places dito, cafe, restaurants, lagi silang may wifi. Sabi wala eh. Ang dami trip.
Naka-display ka lang.
Yung kanina nga sa hotel natin, meron po doon sa table. Nakakalat. Ito sa Vietnam. Sobrang daming ano to, coffee. Kakalapit lang. Tsaka yung mga food namin laging may may gulay, may shrimp. Shrimp yata nila, specialty yata nila yung dito.
Marami sila.
Ba't hindi ko makuha? Masyadong durog yung rice. Masyadong durog yung rice.
Sinuwaran.
Mahirap.
Alam ko sinuwaran.
Ayan. Hindi tayo magpanggap. Magkutsara lang tayo. Ako nasa ospital Hi guys, we're here sa Saigon massage. Papamassage kami ng foot. Para akong pasyente.
Tingin niya ako.
Parang pasyente. Pasyente lang. Diba? Ito yung foot massage place, guys. Mayroon silang complimentary.
Binayaran pala.
May bayad pala bigla, no? Naubos mo na lahat-lahat. Tapos na kami sa massage.
Ilabas mo muna yan.
So good. Nakakabitin. Ang sarap nila mag-massage.
Ginger, ano. Kunti lang nito. Yung mga gusto kunti.
Sarap.
Tawagin natin ko ano.
Iubos na agad. Isang tungga lang.
Hindi lang tubig.
Wala naman kasing lasa eh. Ang hirap na intindihan. Tawa sa akin ng tao yung naghihilot.
Mama, ano sige.
It's December 31. This is my outfit for today. My bag, dress, and then my sandals. We're going to Marble Mountains today. Santa Peninsula, sa Santa Marina, but, sa Lady Buddha Temple. Basta marami kami agenda today. And then, sa may shell na magde-dinner kami dito. We are here right now in Santa Marina Cafe. It's a Greece-inspired cafe, guys. It's so nice. A lot of spots that you can take pictures. And then you can see this. Merong yacht dyan. And then boats. Tika mo yung isa ko nagpapapicture na agad oh. What? Nagulat ako ah. Ang lamig ah. Ooh. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. May bayad dito guys. Entrance fee is 20,000 DNB. Ang ganda. Look at that. Malamig siya since nasa cave. Ganyang kataas yung aakyatin mo guys. Hanggang makita mo yung view sa taas. Oh my gosh. Grabe nakakatakot. Wala man lang hawakan. Hindi namin maakyat kasi hindi kami rubber shoes. Galing kami ng temple. Wala, hindi ko dala. Oh! Ayan pala may mga Buddha sa gilid oh. Wow!
beautiful, sunny Vietnam.
Welcome to Vietnam!
I'm gonna do my bride. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's walk.
There's a lot of wedding stores here. Wedding dresses. Oh, she is beautiful. We're going to Sun World Bana Hills. Good morning. Vlog yan. Oh, beautiful. Is there a koi fish? Wala. Walang fish.
Banana Hills.
Banana Hills.
Banana Hills.
Look at that.
So pretty.
Yeah. Ooh.
Get to the chopper.
It's beautiful.
Like me.
Yeah, like you. Slay. Just finished the cable car and now we are here. Golden Bridge. Oh, there's a lot of people now. Wait. Saan na yun? Ang daming tao. Okay, now we're here in Golden Bridge. A giant hand. You can see those giant hands. Ang daming tao, guys, pero okay lang naman. Ang lamig dito. Harap. Lamig? Lamig! Ha? Uy! Ha? Ha? Okay, we're inside the maze. Let's see if makakalabas tayo.
It's so amazing.
Yes, it is amazing. Baka naniligan. Sinusundan nila tayo. Baka mamali tayo.
Right.
Are you sure about this?
No. I'm not. But I think it'll
Pag
work.
tayo naligaw, ikaw sisisihin ko.
Susundan tayo.
Oo. Sinusundan nila kami, guys. Hindi nila alam, hindi rin kami sure sa dinadaanan namin.
Smells nice.
Yeah. So calming.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Mapagod na ako.
Hindi nga siya sigurado eh.
Hey, all roads lead to Rome, so eventually we'll end up in Rome. So it's fine. And then we can have a trip in Italy.
What the heck? Where are we now?
Tagal.
Tagal, ha? Tagal.
Tagal, ha?
Parang pinaiikot lang talaga tayo dito. Yeah, it feels like it's just the same thing.
No, see? I told you. I told
Wow!
you. You got to go right.
Amazing! We're still here! Ito pa rin pala.
Ay, nagano ka? Ang galing nga. Doon tayo. Ang galing.
Galing ah. Good
Galing.
job!
Galing, good job.
Best tour guide. Woohoo! Ganda. It reminds me of Universal Studios.
Yeah. Pagoda.
Yeah, that's where we went yesterday.
Want to see.
Where are they? Hey, let's eat. Here's a Michelin place na kainan. Here's inside the pana. Ngok. Ngok. Ayan yung name. Which was the sauce for this one? That one?
Yeah.
Hirap. Tanggalin mo nga big yan. Can you move the soup here?
Yeah.
Taste test. Saan?
That one.
Ano to? Okay lang. Ang dulas. We're here again sa cable car going to French Village.
We have a beautiful view.
Coaster date.
Oh, yeah. It's 17 degrees, guys, kaya sobrang lamig.
She's freezing in 70 degrees.
We're going to Hogwarts. Hogwarts.
Di pa yun yung fantasy nila.
Ay, hindi pa ba yun?
Hindi pa. French Village pala.
Kaya nga, ayoko ng ganyan. Oh my God.
Hey guys.
Hi!
Yung iba naman ang marami na.
Alright guys, we just finished riding this one. But, phones are not allowed. So, yeah, it was fun. Made me so dizzy. How about you?
That was a trip when I looked to my left.
But it was fun. It's like the same with the Enchanted Kingdom, but much better. Yeah, I still love it. Alright, bumper car.
Bumper cars.
Okay. Dinner time. Eating a pizza 4-piece. A piece. You want to see the food, guys? Wait. kami. Ay, tsare. Mayroon dapat kami zipline kaso it is raining. Maybe later pwede na.
She finally accepted my hoodie.
Yeah, because it was rain. It was raining earlier. No, it's not.
It was raining a lot harder while you were asleep.
Really?
Yeah,
I didn't know.
I'm glad it stopped. I'm like, man, I'm gonna give her my hoodie and then I'm just gonna be soaked. And you would be too. This thing's not a rain protected, but it helps.
Mm. Guys, we're here. Fish massage. Very chill. We got a lot of fishes. Got a lot of fishes in their feet. Nakakakili teacher guys. Pag gumalaw ka, alis sila.
Start to trust you eventually.
Tangyong ka kasi magulo, kaya ano, wala sila.
Nakikiliti kasi ako, bumaba ka kaya.
Ayoko.
How are you not ticklish?
I'm just holding it in.
I can hold it in. Hindi ka nakikiliti? Okay, now let's try KFC here in Vietnam. What's the difference? Oh, look at this, guys. They have, ano to? Corn pops yata to. Nakalimutan ko na. Then this one too. Then
What are you looking for?
cheese balls, chicken.
Gravy.
Then I forgot my drink though. We're now in vintage stores and trying to find what can we buy. But now, nakahanap kami ng wallets and then bags. So, namimili na lang kami. This is the fit for today. Then, I got my braids there.
You know, one person
Braids.
from your country.
Hello. Necklace.
When
And then,
customer from your country
my
come in,
skirt.
must give them
And then sandals. I just put some socks on. And then, this is my bag. Yep.
That's why.
Or discount more happy, ha?
Yeah. He told me because the first time he come here, I say no. To maintain staff.
Hand stitched,
my
guys.
shop name Vic
Really
is my son.
nice.
In the future, I will hand over to my boy. Like traditional shop.
Ah,
Traditional shop. That's the reason
with
why.
leather
If you have the time, you can look around some store more.
for
And
2 million.
I'm assuming
2
you
million
never
500.
seen hand stitching because to make this take a long time. 3 days, one bag. And in here they don't want, they just want to machine quicker.
Yeah.
Also they hand but machine quicker.
Mm-hmm.
But this one long term because this one long because even the hole here you must put by hand. And then you stitch in by hand. That's why it took a long time. But very special.
Long term.
This look like my my
Going na to the boat.
Matandaan ka na. Kamargo ka. Wala ka pa saan.
I-book the tour, guys. So, with ano siya, meal later. Coconut boat ride. I'll let you see it. Okay, now we're in a coconut boat ride. Ding!
Fun boat ride.
And with a Vietnamese hat.
I love it.
Yep.
Welcome to the rice fields.
How many minutes is this?
I don't know.
They mentioned it earlier. I forgot.
Disappointing to be trapped on a boat ride with me.
Nope. They have a sounder here. We just finished the coconut boat ride.
I'm tired.
Sleepy.
So sleepy.
Jet lag. So now we're eating this.
Oh, ayun. Oh, yung Disney yung
What
habol
is
ko din
this?
sa Japan.
I don't know what's this. This one is spring roll.